And it's number 27, Javier stepping back for 3. Good rebound. Spins, fires, bucket for 2. Balisi. Pass to Loristo. Lisi. Nausaw. Loristo. Spins, kicks out. Attacks. Drive. Floater of the glass. Bucket. Bounce pass. Sakto yung pasa. Reverse layup. Si Riban. Bucket for 2. Kicks out. And he drives. Side step. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Alam. Tronquillo. Tronquillo, he drives. Humigway. Pinabitin. Fast. Oy! Beautiful move! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagayan Intertown Apong League para sa laban ng Lalo at Peña Blanca. And a jump ball. And goes to Peña Blanca. Lace. Short. Rebound. Kicks out. Natapikan. Saves the ball. And ball possession, Peña Blanca sa corner. Lace of the glass. Bucket. First Balisi. Pass to Columbano. Cross pass. Open for 3. Bang! Dupa! In between the legs, he stops to the corner. He pass to the middle. Sa corner sa 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Kumaldag. Putback. Wala pa rin. Battle for the rebound. Peña Blanca. Spins. Kicks out. Attacks. Drive. Floater of the glass. Bucket. And here's pass to the middle. Columbano. Floater shot. Bucket for 2. And here's Balisi. To Columbano. Lorista fires. Bucket. Lord. Throws the mid lane. Between the legs. He pass to number 27. Javier for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Pass on the inside. One bounce. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Oh. Loristo on Harry. Pass on the inside. Crosses the mid lane. No look pass on the middle. He kicks out. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound. Loristo. Pinasa ng kalaban. And stop. Javier for 3. Bang! Javier. Pass to the corner. Javier for 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Loristo. Pass to Balisi. Balisi. Pass to Loristo. Lisi. Nausaw. Loristo. Sagan. One single pass to the corner. He drives. Blanca. Behind the back dribble. Sa gitna. Kisagan. Stop. Bounce pass to the corner. Coach to coach fires. No good. Oops. Kinuha yung candy by Allah. Sagan to the corner. Fires. Supalpal. And the long pass. Dupaya. Easy bucket. Dupaya. Short. Repass break. And here you go, Dupaya. Easy. 2 back. 2 point. Pass to the corner. Here's Vargas. Vargas. Nakalusot. Fires. My foul. And 1. And here you go. Kisagan. Pass to Alam. Crossover. Natapikan. 3-on-1. Dupaya ulit. Easy bucket again. Bounce pass. Ball is stolen. Off. Recover. Javier to the hoops. Bucket. Javier. Inside pass. Easy bucket by Alam. Si Riban. Lace. Oh good. Kisagan. Pass to Javier sa 3. Too strong. And here's Loristo. Bounce pass. Sakto yung pasa. Reverse layup. Si Riban. Bucket for 2. Kisagan. Crossover. Kisagan. Iniwan si Riban. Bounce pass to the corner. Kicks out. Javier for 3. Bang! Dribble. Si Riban. He pass to Dupaya. Dupaya. Stops for 3. Bang! The answer. Kisagan. Dribbling the ball. Kisagan. Pass to number 6. Kisagan drives to the middle. Kicks out. Open for 3. Javier. Off the target. Kicks out. And he drives. Side step. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Alam. And he's still 3-point lead. Vargas. Vargas, cross pass, open for 3, fires, for the tie, no good. And here's Kisagan. Alam to the rim, bakit? Alam. Vargas. Bounce pass to the corner. Vargas sa 3. Bang! And one-on-one with Vargas, Kisagan. Using the screen. Pass to the corner. He drives. Bam. Offensive foul. Vargas dribbling the ball. Vargas. He stops. He pass. Si Reban sa 3. Too strong. Rebound by Loristo. Vargas. Open for 3. Bang! Back to back 3. Javier for 3. Shot won't go. Shot won't go. Here's Loristo. Loristo corner pass. Open for 3 again. Bam! Bam! And here's Team Peña Blanca. He picks. He drives to the middle. Nice pass in the middle. Bucket for 2. Then here's the rebound. And here you go. And easy bucket by Loristo. And pass to Kisagan. Pass on the inside. Picks, clutch. Fires. And here's number 17 si Riban. He pass to Vargas. Vargas pass on the inside. It's Potter. Nugget. He pass to Pagulayan. Pagulayan floater. Nugget. Rebound put back. And 1. Pagulayan. Baseball pass. Nauna na. Sakto yung pasa sa corner. He sets the play. Kisagan. Crossover. He spins. Natapikan. Stolen. And si Riban. Pinasa kay Vargas. Side step. Pinasa. Andres. Back. And here's Team Peña Blanca. He pass to the middle. Pass to the inside. No look pass. Reverse layup. Bucket. And a 4-point lead. For Team Peña Blanca, Balisi with the ball. Paglang pumukol ng 3. Bang! 3 po. And here's Alam. Alam stops. He pass. He drive. He bump. He fires. Kuha ni Balisi. Long pass. Vargas. Behind the back pass. Floater. Bucket. And here's number 6, Alam. He stops. Sa corner 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Vargas, the long pass. And here you go to the hoops. Bucket. 3-point lead. He passed to. Pass in the inside. He spins, picks. Gamal, stolen. And he spins. He pass to the middle. Here's Balisi. Libre. Colombano lace. In and out. Rebound Vargas. Easy bucket. Pinaganda pa. And here you go. And oops, no basket. Pumasok na yung idol ko, si Alag. And it's number 27, Javier stepping back for 3. No good, rebound, spins, fires, bucket for 2. And behind the back dribble, using the screen of Alag. And it's Balisi pass on the inside, he spins, he fires short. And here's Kisagan. Oops, natapikan. Behind the back pass. Uy, nagsakto yung pasa. Rebound by. And here's Balisi. Balisi. So make way. Fires off the glass short. Rebound. Umayam. Yes, sir. Umayam. Kisagan. He bounce pass to the middle. He fakes. He bump. Offensive foul. Vargas. Vargas umatake sa gitna. Libreng-libre off the glass. And here's Kisagan. He pass sa Javier sa 3. Bang! Javier. Dupaya umatake. He bump. Uy. No basket. And here's one angle pass sa gitna. He attacks to the middle. Natapikan. Stolen. Here's Akbibit. Ay, na-stolen. And sakto kay Javier. Takes, clutch. Sa 3. Supalpal sa likod. Rebound, Umayam. And pass to Alag! Sayang na tol! Balan! And Isagan to the rim. Bakit? Offensive foul! My favorite idol, bounce pass. Fading away. Bakit? Bibit for the inbound. He pass to the middle. Dupaya. Corner. He attacks. Floater shot. Bakit? And here you go, Kisagan to Arpon. Arpon. He spins. Sa gitna. Pass on the inside. Bakit? And Gumosover. Buwak. Idol bomb. And here you go. Ponciano using the screen of Sagbibit. And no look pass on the inside. He fakes, he fires. Traveling. And pass on the inside. Tapikan. Almost stolen. Recover. Pagulayan. Supalpal sa likod. Recover of the glass. Bakit for two. Ponciano. He pass to Mateo. Ponciano. Ronquillo, he drives to Migway. Pinabitin. Fast. Oy! Beautiful! And it's Kisagan. Behind the back. Nauna na naman. Ronquillo. Easy to. Back to. Here's Alam. He stopped. Pass on the inside. Pagulayan. Posting up. He spins. Bumalik. Pinasa. Oop! He crossed the midline. Ponciano drives to the hoops. Leverage layup. Oh, Ponciano! And crossover. Natapikan, na-recover. And pass to the corner. Javier for three. Short. Rebound. And here's number 16. Sa tres, Javier. Bang! Javier! Ponciano, crossover. Nakalusot. Off the glass for Tomat. Long pass. Kisagan. To the corner. Pull up jumper. Pagulayan. Bakit? Dupaya. 3-on-1 ang laban. Parsisi. Bakit? Dupaya. Pass. Pagulayan behind the back dribble. Dumistansya. Natapikan. Na-recover. 4-3. Bang! Javier. Vargas long pass. And here's Columbano. He kicks out. Here's Vargas setting the play. Vargas, bounce pass, wide open. Corner pass, open for three. Off the mark. And here's Kisagan. To the rim. Floater, bakit? Long pass. Dalawa lawan sa isa. Oh, supalpal! And it's 3-on-1, 4-on-1. Pinasa pass, another pass. Oh, bakit? Javier. Balisi. 1 point lead. And for 3 off the mark. Rebound. Here's Kisagan. Kisagan setting the play. Ask for a pick. And Kisagan, one angle pass. Javier sa corner. Pull up J. In and out. And rebound for the lead. Kisagan, no! Up! This Balsi. Dupaya. Inside pass. Create space pass. My for inbound. 8 seconds to shoot. Pagulayan ni Bump. 1 points pass. Bakit? Vargas. Si crossover. Nakalusot. Pinasa kay Dupulacano. Columbano. Lace. No good. Rebound. Javier. Kisagan. 1 angle pass. His Lace. All the way. 3-point lead. Basket and 1. Pagulayan. On the free throw. Bakit? 5-point lead. 6-point lead. Vargas. Pass on the inside. Natapikan. Na-recover. Pass to Columbano. Sa tres. No good. Rebound. Pagulayan. 1 single hand pass. Kisagan. Di diskarte. Kisagan. Bounce pass. Liz. Arpon with the finish. Si Vargas. He attacks. He fires. Vargas. And here you go. Number 9. Arpon. Arpon. He stops. Gisagan. 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 Wide open. No good. Rebound. Put back. Wala pa rin. Si Columbano. Columbano. Floater. Bakit? Columbano. Arpon. Palwala yan. Pasto Javier. Pasto Kisagan. Kisagan. Between the legs. Kisagan. Sumasayaw. Sa corner. To the middle. Sa tres. Off the mark. Pass. And here's Dupaya. Dupaya. Bounce pass. Fakes. Touch by Columbano. Back to Columbano. Kisagan with the ball. Dribbling the ball. Kisagan. He spins. He kicks out to Arpon. Pass back Kisagan. Setting the play. Arpon sa tres. No good. And here's Dupaya. Dupaya drives. Bumangga. And a foul. For the free throw. 1 point lead. Kisagan. Kisagan with the ball. Shot clock down to 10. Pass on the inside. Natapikan. Is stolen. And there's Columbano. Bounce pass. He kicks out Columbano. Vargas. Bounce pass inside. Libre. Oh! Kisagan. Bounce pass. Attacks to the... Oop, my foul. And one! For the free throw, Alam. Wala. Rebound. Mapupunta sa Pagulayan. Bakit? 3-point. Rebound. Si Rebound. To the rim. In and out. Oops. And for the inbound. He passed to number 27. And yung 7, Kisagan. Dumistansya. Kisagan. Cancel shoot. Kisagan. Pass to the middle. Oops. 4 seconds to shoot. Backdoor inbound. 45 seconds left. Allah, spins. Fires. Short. Bakit? Pagulayan. Columbano. To the rim. Oh, pistolen. Pagulayan. Number 7, Kisagan. Easy bucket. Kisagan. Balisi. Vargas. Corner. Sa tres. Bang. 3 points. Fires. Easy bucket. Congratulations, team Peña Blanca.